Now that you are quite familiar with some Excel operations, it's time to step up a little. In order for you to step up, you must have a solid understanding of cells in Excel. If there are 100 things to be done in Excel, 99 of them will be on cells. All I'm saying is cells are the most important things you have in Excel, right? Now in a cell like this, you can do simple things and random things as simple as typing in primitive values. So primitive values are just, when you just type in anything normally into a cell in Excel, that's a primitive value like this. Or maybe it is just some text that you type in there, or maybe it is some days that you type in there like that, right? These are like primitive values. So you can type in primitive values into your cell in Excel. You can also write formulas as well if you like, right? So I could go to a cell now and do something like equals to 2 multiplied by 2 plus 15, right? That's just something very random. All right, so you can write formulas, you can type in primitive values. You may also refer to other cells, right? So maybe I want to come to this cell G3 right now, and I could just say equal to and just refer to any of the other cells that I have here. So what that simply just means is that I can fetch in the value from any of those cells into this my cell G. So for example, if I refer to this E3 now, and I press enter on my keyboard, I'm going to have that value, right? And I can use this to do a couple of things. Maybe I don't really want 19. I might want to do 19 multiplied by 2, for example. So instead of writing equal to 19 multiplied by 2 manually, because I already have that 19 somewhere, I can just refer to that 19 I have here and then multiply by 2, right? That's me referring to that cell. We call that referencing. Later on, there is a dedicated section where you're going to learn more about cell referencing. There are a whole lot of things, a whole lot of knowledge that we are going to cover as far as working with cells concerned in Excel, because you will have a better understanding of Excel when you can understand cells, right? But we're going to start with some very simple and basic things like entering data into cells. Mind you, as simple as that may be, there are important things you need to note, and there are also certain tips and tricks that I'm going to be sharing as well, right? So in the next video, we're going to start by looking at how to enter data into cells in Excel and the things you have to put into consideration, and also those tips and tricks that I talked about.